Is it? It's such a shame I didn't get the battery in that. First pitch bomb by Dudas.
No, it's under.
For that upper.
You can.
See, Rudy.
You have an upper?
Oh wow, it's vibrating.
It won't help.
What's this slow shit? He wasn't going like this
Bro.
against us.
Dylan?
So it was a little bit faster. I'm just
And I was like, two reasons. A, because the way
He had a lot of movement.
And then the other reason is it's also
Yeah.
I thought, like, hit one fucking out. I could pick it up, double up, pick up on one end a little bit. Yeah, I got you. So that and I don't drive.
I see you battling.
A
little bit.
There you go.
You can have it on a wrist or a bicep. I wear it on the biceps so I don't have like a jam on my golf.
Yeah, does anybody keep the bullet?
Oh, it's right here, dude.
Dude, I love it. It's so fun.
I mean,
Come on. Let's go, Whitty. Yeah, that stinks.
I mean, they have to sleep. So I just want to know changing wind. Like, it'll be 8.
Get there.
3, 9
Oh yeah.
Wait, what a fast boy.
No way.
Where'd you go, my bro? My brother? Based on like how much strain, so how much activity and then there's like a sleep dent, so like how far behind you are in your sleep. Like catch different.
Come on, guys.
Sleep efficiency 90%.
Come on. All right. DJ. I guess I'll take it to bed. Yours?
My dad fixed.
Oh, yours broke. I forgot about that.
He put a metal rod all the way, it's like aluminum, all the way up here, and then put the really tough your recovery is based on like how well you recover from the day before. So like, if I'm like really tired, like some days I'll be really tired, I'll look at it and my recovery will be like 30%. My body's not recovering. Versus like some days it'll be like
Nice pitch.
80-ish%.
Way back a little while.
Like your body's telling you you feel good. Like you might not feel it, but you feel good. There's some days where it's like counterintuitive, where I feel like shit. But according to like moods,
Full, I think. Full.
I don't work out.
Ah!
Is it me? Who's up? Iron, I think. Iron, yeah. What's the lineup? After the log one. Jeez, hell yeah.
Dangerous.
Can you do temporary umpire until I get back?
How many innings?
Hey, is there a minimum innings?
Serious?
Is there a minimum innings for a game?
3. 3? Sure. Let's try to get. That seems reasonable.
Hey, does somebody have a GTI out there?
Seems reasonable.
Anybody?
I mean,
A
what?
GTI? Golf?
4, I think. 4.
I think it looks like once this hits us, it's going to be pretty clear on the back end.
At 10:30.
Let's go. Don't hurt me. Get that high pressure. Anything is possible. Yeah. Let's go, Car. No first pitch bomb for you. Right then.
What's up? Good lead.
Yeah, that was a rise ball.
Are you ready? Yeah. Brother ain't got it.
Hey, he ain't got it.
I'm ready.
Yeah, I like it. Whoa! I don't think so, Whitty.
Is that OBJ?
9-9 greater than 1-6.
You're more than good. If you want
Hey, Dudis.
Also, if you ever fish in baseball, don't do that.
Hey, Dudis. Please get somebody up.
Yeah. Get him up. Anybody but Mitchell.
Get somebody up. Coach, he's throwing a pitch. Get somebody up.
Josh knows Scott Mitchell.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hell
Mitch.
yeah. Let's go. Okay, Mitch. Come on, Mitch.
Boy.
Come on, Mitch. Oh, he threw that first one outside.
Daddy's
Like, it
tired.
starts with my back hit.
Good cut.
It's gonna dart quick. I know. She's coming in. All of a sudden.
One more?
Bad swing. And I think we should call the game. Lightning's approaching.
Yeah, it's a big take right there.
It looks like it might.
32.
32.
One more?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're all over it.
Arm on the way.
All over it.
Selfish! I'm tired. I'm gonna be sore.
Yeah, that's my dog, boy. Sit your ass down.
I'm ready.
Get dirt quick.
You were there first.
Not good. We don't got a radar to look at? You need a radar. You need eyes on a radar.
Hey, if we don't get to 3 after everybody's stats, we just avoid it. Well, actually, it's important. We'll play
Stratomatic. You make the grade. We will play Stratomatic from here on out, and that's how it goes.
It feels like the first lightning is gonna hit like this on top. It feels like it's like old plastic.
There are lots of cars with windows rolled down by the way.
32. They need to air out. Right? Coach, I can't see.
3-2, 3-2.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
I don't think I can.
Where's the battery behind this?
Oh!
Oh.
Who drives the Jeep?
That's Jeff Palmer.
I was wondering who was a dickhead and parked sideways and why. Oh, I'm doing drop that. That's
Alright, no next week. Good luck this weekend.
Hey, it's just gonna blow right through.
Go, Colorado!
Sorry.
I can hear it.
Alright.
It's hit the. Oh, shit, we gotta go. It's hitting the barn.
Strike me out. Give me a kick. Hey, I'll take a strikeout. Strike out.
Doesn't count on account of tragedy.
Are we staying?
Yeah. We got fences. Let's get it. Rain gang.
Hey, pick up the ball. All right, I got 1 AB and I'm gone. Mish, what's the ruling?
My phone doesn't need it.
They forfeited. They're all gone. Hey, Keegan left. Keegan's gone.
He said on that.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Left? Let's get it. Keegan left.
If I don't hit a home run, I'm gone.
Keegan's at his car.
I don't like anyone's hit one. I make bat lefty, to be honest.
I can't fucking see.
Hey, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later. Are you serious?
No, I'm just going.
Are you good?
Yeah.
If it's close, let's swing.
I'm absolutely proud in.
Yeah! Missile! Come on! Get Keegan's back.
I'm staying.
Yeah! Dude, that thing caught the wind perfect.
I'm staying, dude. I'm not fucking leaving.
I'm fucking leaving.
Swing hard, hard.
Byron, your turn.
You're still early.
I would like to put on record.
You guys see it's getting lighter now.
It was 5 or 6.
You're safe.
Byron, you have a bomb yet?
So this
Get one.
get that bat head out there.
Shoot it on it, I mean.
I decided to sit on one today.
You see that gust of wind? That's where I caught it.
Yeah.
Hey, swing.
Why do you need to see one? Why?
Just swing, just swing. Just gotta swing.
Yeah,
It's gonna go.
Just get
It's
out.
gonna go.
Come on, Byron.
There you
Get up,
go.
Byron. Get up.
What the fuck?
We're on 2.
Who's up for us?
You.
Apparently you.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
Let's go, Boulder Bro. Hey, first pitch bomb.
Gotta get as many stats in before this game clears.
First
We have
pitch
to
bomb
pick it up
as the
next time.
thunderstorm rolls in.
Now we can't play no more.
Dude, this is gonna be great footage. Great footage for YouTube.
See how far we can get a wiffle ball in this.
Hey, jet stream out the right. Fuck the jet stream to right. Get it up.
Dude, you got this.
Hey, you get a home run if you watch 7.
Dude, I don't know if this is gonna be any better, honestly. This might be worse.
No, we're good.
Throw it in the honeysuckle. Oh my. Yeah, you got to. You got to. Thank you.
Hey, take your walk. That's fine. 2 more. Homer.
Dude,
One more,
that's
Homer.
wicked.
Homer!
Yeah.
I do get an RBI there, though. All right, see you fellas, get home safe.
I'm not going to be able to
Pick it up next time we see each other.
Yeah. Can I come in left-handed?
Does that Homer count?
No, we gotta restart the inning, right?
Yeah.
No.
Don't
take Dev's
Homer from him.
Restart. Okay, we'll get Devin's homer, then we'll restart the inning.
So
I was
that-
throwing in Gale
You're taking Byron's
last
last
2.
Oh no, it's calmed down, guys.
Yeah, look.
It does feel good. It's gone. Guys, it's
gone.
cleared up.
Can we look at a radar?
Hey, radar screenshots, let's go.
And it looked pretty good. I wasn't being a bitch. I think you can play through some wind, you gotta play.
No, it's
All right, screw it, let's go.
Oh yeah, it's out here.
I have like
What? Let's go, Whitty.
They got to pick it up when
Let your fielder go. Hey, that's a great point. Let's go category 5, Whitty.
I mean, yeah, we might as well do that.
Keegan, it's storming.
Oh! Shit! Eat it!
We need a radar.
Murdered it. Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What in the-
Go! Fuck!
good luck NWA people.
Let's go, Connor. Let's go, C-Money.
Stabbing Pats.
Oh my god. Oh, it's just what it could be. Oh, you guys keep playing?
Oh. Ah.
Slow pitch. Oh yeah.
Oh my God! From the heaven!
I think Will just don't put you in line.
It's close, Connor. It's close. No.
Go! I want another AB!
Yeah.
Put it in play!
Mike, you look like you're having fun.
Whitty, I'll bring you a tent. Oh,
Go, ball.
Oh. God damn. Hell yeah. Hey, if it's close, DJ, I'm swinging. Yeah.
Right, dig it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, right. This ball go zone right here.
Oh, we're not.
All right, close.
Is this all your stuff, Waddle?
Yeah. It's waterproof.
That's tough.
God damn.
That boy's probably slippery.
Yeah. That's embarrassing.
Right at you, baby.
Y'all are getting your asses out here to pitch, too.
Now it's canceled after this.
Oh, yeah, you are. The team doesn't count.
Canceled.
If I throw lefty, does that count? I'm serious, by the way. Like, I would love to come in.
Oh,
We gotta want that one.
yeah, 5.
I think it's clear. Like, we're good. It's spotty as shit.
Yeah, it looks like it's paying right for Indianapolis. I'm not bullshitting you.
Yeah. They left prematurely, in my
I can
opinion.
see the sun.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would be somewhere over there.
Face. Math checks out.
That's really good.
Oh, that ball was carried.
Yeah.
3, buddy! Run! Go, run home! Go! Home! Go! Get your ass going! Goddamn! In the sandals and all!
Come on! In the fucking sandals!
Who's up? Who's up?
You!
Me? Fuck.
Another one. In the sandals.
Yeah, I was about to say. Keegan, I wanted some RBIs. That's selfish.
That was good.
Get your own RBI.
That was great.
That's going on TikTok.
Yeah! Get up! My truck! Oh!
That's 3, right?
2 or 3.
No, that's 3.
Lago and
I would like to tell you I hit the shit out of that. I hit the piss out of that. Catch some barrels today.
Oh, yeah!
Catch some barrels today.
Oh.
down.
Yeah.
Dude!
Hey, can we get it in front? Oh, my God!
We don't need it.
What a snipe.
We don't need it. Yeah, it's clear now. I think we're pretty good.
I think we all are.
Yeah, we're good.
We'll keep saying that.
Josh?
I'm gonna slide.
He just gave me your phone.
You would have slid in the rain.
Oh, yeah, it's just done now.
All right.
This is gonna be tough.
Of course, the wind just dies and they go on. How many did I score there?
Not that many, honestly.
Not enough. 7-1 or 8-1?
7-1?
Oh, we're in there.
I'm not gonna lie. The only time you threw strikes was against me on film.
I'm good.
You good?
Wait, Josh is up?
I'm up.
Oh,
I had one in the track.
You're welcome to stand under here if you want.
That's
She had a work
that is better.
Shout out, man. I wouldn't be here without him.
She wants to, she'll be around.
Let me get that posted. Let's go, see money.
Roll over.
Don't mind the moisture. Right! Never hit the ground.
yeah, I gotta bring you over. Wind is kind of shifted. Yeah, swing it back.
Were you taking?
I'd be taking if I sucked like you too.
Yeah. What, DJ?
Looks like I'll take more weight.
Oh! Piss pounded.
Oh, yeah.
About to put it over the fence.
Look, you're a bitch.
more longer on the mountain.
I used to throw that. I'm not even fucking. Like when my arm was I could only throw like high 50s, low 60s, but like I had a slider and just a normal fastball. If I could get the lead on him, like my mechanics was a little off. Like everything felt good in the lower half, but the front half it was a little odd. I think I could still throw strike.
Dude, that fucking second drop ball you threw just froze me. I knew it was coming.
I figured you did. Like, all right, he saw the first one. He's gonna be waiting on the second one. But
I was like,
it's such a weird pitch.
I just didn't do anything. Just froze in the box.
Good play, Dave. Like, people see that pitch and they're like, "What the fuck is that?" That's usually what happens.
It just looks mean in the box. Like, look at it.
Pull your shorts up higher.
Who's that guy from backyard baseball class?
Dimitri.
They're large.
I want Dimitri Petrovic. Shorts to the tits. Let's go.
Pass turn for you there, Dusty. Say what?
He trying to melt that bitch. Trying to put a hole in that
Settle
fucking
down
little ball. A knife hurt that motherfucker. Yeah! The big hurt, the big heart, baby. Hurting the honeysuckle.
Yep. It's 0-1 just got
Full.
released.
That's the only one I play.
Because
The big
they
heart.
released 99, which
Going deep here.
was just the original guys. And then like this one, like King Griffey's not on it.
Hey, what's up, dude?
I don't know how you're doing.
My bad one.
Going around with a runner on you,
It's
Jack
actually nice
Wagon.
right now.
Clean it up.
Clean it up.
Clean it up.
Gosh, damn it. Lucky him. Not even I've done that.
He even reached back with the two
Take
arms.
a picture to
Lucky him.
Discord and say,
Like,
glad
my
I
arm
left so early.
Yeah, it's stopping pitching.
No.
My arms are
I'm
tired.
wearing out my left
I
arm.
just want to play
Man.
against Will. All right. Moonshot didn't want to play without me.
I wouldn't want to play that well.
It's a good move by them. I saw them hit a whole bunch of home runs though. Maybe Rudy said we beat the shorts today. I don't care.
Raleigh.
Dude, we were getting swings. I wasn't getting no swings. I was getting swings on Rudy's right there. The way he pitches from the left side of the plate is tough. Everything. Well, basically how you pitch it right here, you back there. Yep. Absolutely. Like when I bat right-handed, there you go. Two!
Carries over.
Yeah, right-handed gets you.
No carryovers?
Might as well.
There's a single for Luke, though.
Because it's right there. Let's not get better style. Just because I feel like I can see these.
I don't understand that.
Yeah.
Oh, you maybe you are actually left-handed.
I've tried and it doesn't work out. Anytime I get you know what I'm saying? I just might keep my foot.
Hey, we got no game next week. We made it, guys.
Have you?
Yeah, you know Center Grove.
We've reached the bye week.
Oh, all 312 feet of it.
The building behind it.
Hey,
He damn near shattered.
they're playing a shoebox there.
Yeah? Is that how you feel, buddy?
Still gotta hit it.
Just fucking.
We lost 5-1. We got our ass kicked.
Yeah, a little CG action. Against the league. Was that for my? It's in for roommate. No, I don't think so actually, because I don't think he knew if his wife was going or not.
Are you even trying?
Is going now, but
I know.
would have been Braden's wife,
Ow,
my
fucker.
wife, and my brother. My brother. Yep. Yep.
Oh, let me just throw 5 points so I can be a cheater.
That'd be awesome. Yep. The
Big ass.
ridiculous looking truck. Yeah.
Can you stay on the? Can you stay on the
Why
back?
did you bring an
of the
ATV?
Thank you.
Because
No more.
I didn't know if I knew the truck was about the same weight as the Boulder, so I was like, I'll put my biggest four-wheeler in it to make sure it's heavier. Turns out I didn't even need that. Like, it would have yanked it, no problem. I was just over.
Oh yeah.
Low oppo.
Got a ball?
Oh my.
Run them off.
I thought you were.
Go, Witty.
I thought you were gonna.
Oh, that's on purpose.
I got a shit.
Shit.
Lightning is insane.
Yeah, I seen off the reflection.
Yeah, people survive.
Got pissed in his foot.
Somebody got struck.
You're talking about that one meme on Twitter about that MLB pitcher that got struck by lightning and
Finish
woke
the
up
game.
to finish the game.
Yeah, like.
Abbott?
Damn Abbott.
No.
Oh yeah.
He
Jim
sounds like a guy.
Abbott was one-armed and got hit by lightning. Think so? Dude, that's just God telling you to lay down. What the fuck
Just
is
give it a
that?
rest.
No, I'm saying that's God to Jim Abbott. Pillow in the face, and Jim Abbott's like,
No, I will not. Some of my best work, Jim Abbott was.
I'm more impressed by the LSD.
not good.
I honestly didn't know what to fucking do with that.
Is it taken, Josh? We need to see splits. Single Josh is batting.
Single Josh and taking Josh. Yeah.
Maybe it's a confidence thing.
It's
It's
why
100%
would
a confidence thing.
Maybe, yeah, the dick's in action. The dick's in
Oh.
action.
Three,
Testosterone's
is it
getting unloaded.
3-2, yeah.
In her mouth. Also, you testosterone all over your chin.
Oh,
You wanted it. I know you did.
I really thought about it. I really did. I guess I'll ski one. I don't know if I've ever seen a slow pitch off you. Is it the same as what you throw on the mound? Nope.
It's the dirtiest
Nope.
pitch.
No labrum sharing. Came out here. A little late on that one, bud.
You can't be late on a 30-mile-an-hour pitch.
A little late on that one, bud.
What are you doing?
As I.
Are you okay? How was Corba?
Hey, I was going to actually ask you.
I'm gonna go back.
Keegan's so slow. Sandals, that's why. Otherwise, I would have
Buy you like a-
I didn't know if you said like drinking the rest of
I just want a coat that kind of tastes like shit.
No, I feel good. It's just I can't get soap right now. I can tell.
Can't wait for my one home run this year to be in just hurricane gale force.
I'll make 2 more yards.
Slow pitch. It's my nemesis.
I think I was more dangerous than
Like, I have a different stance on my slow pitches, just to delay my swing.
Yeah.
And honestly, I should have went back to the swing. I'll be honest, I'm like,
Alright.
Not.
Hey, whoever threw this ball,
Dude, just
your
used to
mom's
pull
a
the
hoe.
rock and then the corner bar, and now we're here. Yeah. Yeah.
that'll do it to you.
Did you hear that it is actually smaller?
It looks smaller.
No, it's not regulation.
So what was the reasoning?
He got a deal with them and they sent free boards and he took it.
Dude, I can make better strikes than that.
Absolutely.
Hey,
Well,
no
that's
way
the
that
thing.
will
We
lead
went
to
to
any
Minnesota
complaints.
and they custom
Theirs were
made it.
perfect. That's
Yeah.
kind of how I copied my design, honestly.
Yeah.
I was off theirs.
Hey,
Yeah, and you can't even get a zone regulation size. It's
It's like
ridiculous.
leaning back and short. Like, what are we doing?
Like, it's, yeah, it's gay. I'll say it. It's gay.
What did I try?
And if anyone here is on the line,
Hey, I
I'm
could have
sorry.
said it better myself.
You sound like you're gay.
I'm like, damn, this movie is great.
We get away with that where I'm from. I'm sorry.
This is true.
Yeah, Whitty lived there for a while.
Been there. Lived there.
If you're ever looking to relive it,
You fucked that Mexican place up. I miss that Mexican place.
which one?
So bad.
Maybe
One
two
that's in
now.
the middle of
That
town.
sentence went a difference, right?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what
yeah.
that's
Wheels. Thanks.
There's two now.
I would do that too if I had no juice.
Yeah, the original would have done it. The original's still good.
Feeling and dealing.
Oh, yeah. And it's definitely not going out. No, the one you're talking about is more like the other would come out. Yeah. Yeah.
You want to know the answer?
Oh man.
Yeah. Good pitch. Yeah.
Really?
Hey, basketball.
Yeah, I talked to him.
Did you really?
Orbit.
It's tough when you see stuff like that. He's either wildly out of control.
This guy's no
Everything.
points on.
This new generation of kids, man. Connor can tell me just Connor can tell me 35
Yeah, but if you want to come hang in the off season, I'll show you a card rock. I never saw.
Good cut.
Yeah, that right.
Josh, you know, run the game.
The
Don't
only
stop.
card I
Fish that
ever
bug,
saw
Josh. Fish that bug.
from Robinson Park to Lincoln Trail. Outside of that, parking lot parties up Walmart. We went to Taco Bell every single day of the day.
You had to make me the president.
It's fucking stupid.
Because
I didn't have the money.
he wasn't.
Yeah, it's so expensive. It's $25.
So he just gonna do this. What do y'all do with this? It's a check, $300.
Oh,
Cash
I'll
it.
take. I gotta give it to Matt.
Well, I think it's because my name's.
Unless you want to run by the bank and put it in
I'm
there.
not on the account yet.
Okay. Do you hear Keegan's president? Outdoor Baseball Club?
It's time to fuck this movie.
A lot of money on
What do
it.
you got?
Hey, he's the front man.
3-0.
Just gotta figure out how to
Whenever shit hits the fan,
That's what we gotta figure out.
Hey, Keegan's going to jail. Nobody else is.
Big beautiful bill. You know what? Where this is going? Fucking straight on black on Friday nights. Hey, black Friday night.
Honestly though,
Just
like,
doubled our
if we
funds!
get a big lead pool play, I can dial it down.
Why wouldn't you go red for something?
Hey guys, new investment.
You're right. That's a good.
Roulette table.
That's a good move. Friday.
I haven't been.
Mitch and Braden will
Probably with you. How many we got here? One or two? We'll turn it again. Two.
No. Fuck flat.
I don't even have words. I don't have words for what I just saw.
I thought you guys had it.
It landed, yeah, it might have hit a foot outside of the circle.
If it didn't spin backwards, I think you would
Hey, DJ.
I also wasn't going to really
9-1? No.
Sorry.
NWA is different though.
Shows you how much attention I've been paying.
At least someone is gonna go hold
It was a good play.
Hey! Single.
That is.
At our league,
Last year we did.
You're a rain.
Best outing ever.
Yeah.
I'm just lobbying.
I'm not. I know what you did.
Saturday night.
I would doubt it,
honestly.
Top four.
He's a new deal.
Where'd it go? Like, yeah, after I
He's
watched
kind of
you
like
on
Mike
every strikeout.
when he gets in a tournament. He's like, fuck it, I'll throw it.
And some of those were like 30 seconds.
That's what made me say that. It's like, yeah, he threw two and still came back and threw a really good one. It's black, man. You can't throw a slider up the flat. Did he only throw one?
I was supposed to be in.
Hi! 2 hours, 3 hours.
I mean, it's the same weekend as me.
Inside the park. You can have him inside the park in his sandals. I bet his time was faster than
the rain?
Yes.
Flying.
I bet it was faster than it was.
It was maybe 5 seconds slower.
With those tight
Think it's
hammies?
slower?
Way slower.
Oh, you were slipping sliding.
Run it!
And these are looking feeling good.
Find a way to
I've been trying to stretch a lot more. Weird thing, it helps. Yeah.
Hey, cast up like you're fishing, man. Just flick that bat at it.
Like, honestly, like,
You know what I'm saying, though? That's a wiffle ball swing. That's all it is, really. But it's so fucking hard to go wiffle for baseball.
But it helped.
It was like a good pain.
Oh, it was so painful, but one half
Was
of
the happy ending worth it?
Yeah, right. That was.
It's very good.
Yes.
Oh, yeah! So I'm talking about you!
Good aggressive turn, yeah.
Toolsy rookie.
Did you hear Byron's coming to Southport?
I did hear that. I'm pumped.
You're allowed to recruit now.
You're gonna get suspended, bud.
Is he better than you?
I mean, I'm faster than him, but like, for what he is at his age.
oh, I don't know.
Say,
I think he's there.
Not a force. Get the peg out of
I was gonna say,
For what he is at his age.
Got it.
Oh, yeah, it was,
you got the
got back.
Pretty soon.
Break!
I'm so
I mean,
sorry.
like once
I struck out. It's better than me. Go, ball!
Got a guy? No.
Josh got a great jump on
Go, ball!
Like, let your hands go forward towards DJ longer and then flick harder.
it felt good, it smelled good.
Nice.
He nicked it!
Like, you're trying to hit the hardest line drive to center ever.
He works so quick too. You can't even cross.
Yep. Kick a bat. Yeah, you kick a ball out of the line, look up, and he's like,
I blink and I'm up 3-1 to count.
Sit your ass down, Mike.
that's 2 or 3. That's 3, isn't it?
Tell him what you think.
Talking shit with a fucking late man.
Is it time limit yet?
Bottom four.
840.
We must be moving because we haven't stopped, decided if we wanted to play or not. 8-1. Hey, don't call it a comeback.
Yeah. Have it solidified.
Back. Hey, Louie, am I up?
Yeah, you're up next.
Yeah.
I got personal problems.
Why do you have personal problems?
I was hurt last time I threw against them, and they got me. I think they felt good.
Yep.
I was fucking hurt. I was blowing out.
Was this 21?
No,
Yeah, we're playing ball, Devin.
yeah, I was 23. Yeah.
Either of them.
Yeah.
You didn't throw in 21.
I did.
Josh makes a good joke by just simply
Like I was
repeating
gonna
what
go out
someone
there
else said.
So
Like,
I was
there's nothing
like,
to
that's
it.
they're our first game.
And it's funny.
And I'm used to throwing the first game. I have the last,
It doesn't even really have
every
like
tournament I throw.
an accent.
I was kind of
You're not
between you
making
and
fun of
me.
the boy.
Trying to think through
You're not doing like the
Fucking bottomed.
Yeah.
That's where you have to.
There's just some guys.
Your stuff's good.
Injury was on.
Yeah,
It
it
did.
felt good.
Good.
Nothing about that. It's not I don't feel as tired.
That's unfortunate.
It is one of those things.
That
Like,
was ill.
I can't imagine Skibby throwing a face.
No.
We've never played.
Probably Logan.
Yeah, I thought I. Yeah, we did some
to be we did so Oh, sure. The hell did that do?
I don't know. We can always play out here. Last 2 innings.
I don't think that's where you play.
Yeah.
What, Josh?
We can always play out here.
Well, I told you I don't even play. Okay.
I didn't.
Okay.
Because I can
I
fire up
didn't.
2 innings.
I was thinking that their bats don't start because they play a weekend league. They haven't done in this game. So, and I'm like,
Or you could, I don't care, whatever.
crazy
you think.
story.
Yeah.
So 2021, first game of the day, 8.
That's cool.
8 wasn't. Yeah.
Can't hit.
There was Aiden wasn't his Yacker years were very developmental.
That was sick too.
So they truly were because nobody wanted him the upseason. Remember when?
Is it just because he couldn't throw strikes or he just...
Pitch.
Shit too. Like,
Yes,
he would
that's.
show up.
But no, at the NWA, he was supposed to start.
Ah.
Knocked it out. Well, hey, we fucked up on pills or something.
So I pitched, I walked the face of the but I didn't give up a run.
Who were you?
Right,
You should
I
remember
know.
who was getting all the outs.
I had like 8 or 9
Good
walks,
hole.
9 Ks, and then
Hole or 3-2?
and I don't think they start well early, like it takes them 2 or 3 games to get that going. So yeah, why face it again? Throw you at it, especially if you're like, are you more likely to do better starting early, give you a full day of rest?
I'm good.
Still be usable.
I'm good. I can throw.
Let's go in the air.
I don't.
You got this.
Yeah, I can
Swing, do the work.
I'm good for 2 games. It doesn't matter if it's the same day or a day apart. Honestly, it's probably better for a day apart.
If you throw second base, you're done for sure for Saturday.
Dude, what you
That's what I'm thinking. Starting
Yes.
first, and that gives you a rest
Is it painful?
day or later. So you'd be some guys.
Why is this my best time? I like can't focus half the pitches because of whatever they're saying behind me.
Like the
I
next
feel
day
you.
is
So
always
would you have given your Achilles to Tyrese? Like,
Yeah.
like in the moment, all of a sudden the screen pops up, give you Achilles.
Ah! They're a good team, but I'm just like,
Emotional despair.
I need
But he
a
plays-
good kick in the ass.
But his
Also-
right leg is as powerful as your right leg.
They got some athletes. I think
He is literally just. He might be better with one Achilles than with my fucking.
Like, dude, this thing's so fucking tight.
that's key.
Yeah.
We do.
500 times 2.
What not regular deadlift? Still. Dude, that McDonald's before you go for it tonight.
Yep.
It's
Sure is.
So guess what?
It just sucks.
That burger's not even make it to the airport. No, I gotta go past it.
Oh, you're saying I got
Yeah.
you.
Chopper every time. I best I get it like a
Peace.
home run.
Good play. Is it me? Yeah, no, you're right. I'm shooting that one.
Bro, 120 with your left.
I mean,
That's just
I'm ready.
That's your jack.
it's just a different speed.
I had
That is maybe the one reason I continue to live.
But I can't stand it.
Well, lifting is incredibly good for you as you get older. Alright, dude, don't you just
Yeah.
do the right bucket, alright?
If you start to feel mushy, it's like, oh yeah.
I'm a bitch. Right here?
Something to break in, I would do it. Snap rack is back.
Small guys are so.
Snap rack?
Yes!
Yeah.
He's slow, he's slow, he's slow.
He called himself safe.
Oh, call it.
Game's over. Not 3.
That's 3. Sorry, Dad.
What are you sorry for? I think we might have just saved my Achilles. Who knows?
The final 5.
Fucking grinding.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
What's the score?
8-1, 9-1.
I got my homer out.
We got, I mean, if it wasn't for the
guys
hurricane inning, I
slew it.
swear.
Hey, player of the week. You guys
Hurricane inning is still a ball game.
Still in the ball game. No problem. No questions asked. Yeah. But Bryce?
What, when you're on second?
Say DJ. I was sitting there like that. I was being worried about that. Bryce was on the first year. I was worried about that shit.
He was
in college.
that league basically.
Oh.
Yeah, like fucking right here. One nothing. Catch Mike in and it two out of me. But I wasn't able to do anything.
We're just playing. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here. Oh yeah.
He wants it.
Yeah, that way a point.
Hey, good rip, DJ.
Good talk, Connor. That's what wins championships right there.
First game this year.
I don't think I know it.
A bunch of college waves like the
I was also in that, but I forgot what
I was like, I'm 175 now. But in college, I got it.
That's awesome.
Like you come from
What people ask me all the time, they're like,
my best, most athletic.
It's actually the complete opposite.
Did you have a chance?
Yeah, I would have went to
Had that quad injury last year.
Fucking, what am I swinging on?
Not as much as you.
But
I don't think any.
I tell myself it would have been cool. Definitely, I didn't think about it. But now there was a
I would have
first time for a challenge.
Yeah.
Like the same way that guys go
Did you guys bring
like that.
Yeah. You're not making shit. Like the facilities are dog shit.
So what's the premise of showing?
You live in a
So
rental spot.
we're kind of both ways on it right now. One of our guys for Living the Trail plays
Good hole.
yeah, the party animals.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then like if you want to do shotgun off.
Oh, I have it. Uh-oh. Spank him, Keith.
31. Nope.
3-2. Lefty 7.
No, I don't think I've ever seen that.
Full. Full.
Fucking doing my
Shit. Always got it.
Yeah.
God
that
damn it.
guilty.
Swinging at the fucking ball on the ground.
I view myself.
They'll go back and forth 3 or 4 times.
He's got me on the board on the fucking, I think, twice.
Don't crack a joke.
So then I was like, I have to swing.
I would say that maybe struck me out because I was saying your little pig, which right at your knees. And
Big smile on his face there.
Whatever. I'm going in.
really, very hittable.
It feels so good.
Good hold.
I was a pool
Looks like whack on the damn fucking.
On that
Good cut.
I did okay, so we do
I gotta get one out of here. So you just swing and fucking back. Ooh! Pitch.
3-2.
Josh, was your goal 1 a game or 1 a day?
1 a day. Yeah. 1 or 2 weeks. I got no more.
Tell Whitty your stat before.
Well, it broke today.
Yeah.
Up until like at the end of game. My only result.
All right, get one in the air right here. Let's go.
You got this. Here we go. Here we go. I got 2 loop singles today.
Here we go.
One wasn't a bloop single. It was
Oh, one was
off the wall.
that's right. That's right. One was,
Yeah,
I call it.
That's 3, I thought.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Yep.
Just kind of duck standing out there.
That's it. I think. I can't.
That's game.
That's game.
Something about who? Sorry, I just completely checked out.
I pulled a Byron.
Top of the zone.
Yeah, that was.
He's running from the back.
That was not fair.
Okay. Didn't you give him 8 your first game?
Yeah, what'd you give
On
up?
the slope.
Hey, go team, go shorts. Needed it. Had to have it. Wanted it. Needed it.
Yeah, we love being teammates with you two. Thanks for joining the high five.
Mike, thanks for being my boyfriend.
Out of here. See you this weekend.
Make sure you ball with you fucking touch me, talk to me like that again.
I gotta get out of here.
No, you don't.
My kid's yelling at me.
Put the balls away. Put the balls away.
Hey, good luck. Hey, good luck this weekend.
Thank you, Dad.
So when I
Be a hound?
I would love to leave as early as possible.
DJ, you want? Here's your jacket.
It's in the top of my closet. Hey, Memento, your first ECW.
Let's go. Nice to meet you. Mitch.
Because it's such a weird, like,
Are you gonna meet us here?
lefties are odd enough, but a lefty from, like, your arm slot, that'd be just
Are you gonna meet us here on Friday morning? Submarine something.
Well, that's a really good hitter.
Yeah, I don't.
What time are you guys getting out of here?
This weekend.
Hell yeah.
Do this.
No, 5.
See you this weekend.